Hey, hello guys, welcome to another video of XML. So let's continue with our XML tutorials, and in this video I'm going to talk about DTD or um, DTD or document type definition. Okay, this is what it stands for, document type definition. What it does is defines legal blocks of an XML document. Okay, so it reads after the parser reads all the blocks or elements. Before that, we can also create a DTD declaration to organize those blocks. Okay. So let's make an example. You'll see what I'm talking about. So you can build, you can create DTD either inside the XML file or an external DTD file. Okay. So first of all, I'm going to make you example how to make it internal. Okay. So inside our albums.xml, we are going to create the DTD. And first, let me create here. Let me take this out. Let's delete all this. I'm going to use another example. Also, you might see something like, for example, in some other XML files, something like this. In here, you might see, you might be able to see in some XML files this encoding thing, okay, equals something like ESO, okay, and what this is basically in HTML you can also see this, and this is an encoding that means what type of encoding is going to be the XML file parsed. Okay, so I already told you in the last video, if you want to know a little bit more of the encoding types, different types that you have to encode your file, just go to Web3 Schools and search for XML encoding, okay? Or you can go to Google and type XML encoding, okay? But for now, we will not need any encoding at all, okay? So in here, what I'm going to type is doc type, and you already, this is very familiar to you, obviously, because we use this in XHTML as well. So doc type note square bracket, and down here close square bracket, and let's close with a symbol bigger than. Now in here we are going to type, or first of all, let's go down here and create the parsed data or a PC data of our XML. This is going to be, you already know from the other video that PC data means readable or parsed character data. Okay, so everything that is going to be parsed or is parsed in our XML file. Okay, if it's not parsed, it's because it's not correctly done, or it's C data. Okay. So let's type note, and now let's type 2, and let's type to Victor, close to. Now down here, I can make this here, from John, and here let's say body, and hi, how are you, and let's close body. Okay, so basically this is an element of a note or an email. Yeah, let's type email here, email. Okay, and let's close this email. Okay, cool. So now I'm going to show you how we can create a DTD internal DTD to give an organization or identify each and every child of this element, okay? And to do that, we just type the doc type. Instead of node, we have to change this to email, of course, because it's our root tag. And here we type element email, okay, and parentheses, and inside the parentheses we have to type all the different child nodes that we have, which is to, comma, the from, and the body, okay? So what we basically are doing is to identify each and every line of this element email, okay? So now, oops, this is wrong, element, yeah. So now let's type element again, and we type 2, which is the next line, this one here, and 2, and in here we have to identify if this is parsed or not. So if it's parsed, we want to parse this with, we type PC data, okay, close this, and now the next one is element again, it's from, and this is PC data as well, element, forgot the E here, and body, and of course this is PC data, and that's basically it, okay? So this is a DTD that defines all the elements and childs of this block here, okay? So that's pretty much it, and I told you that we can identify or build a document type definition or DTD inside the XML file or in an external file. So I'm going to show you how to put this in an external file. So let's copy this and let's create a file here, paste it here. Now I'm going to save as, this is going to be the email.dtd, save as DTD, and let's go here, let's take this out of here, and what I have to do is go in here and type doc type email, and system, and now we type the name of the file, which is email.dtd, right? And close this, and that's it. We now save, and that's pretty much it. Okay, so this is it for this video. If you have any questions at all, just send me a message, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click tutorials. See ya.